Finding affordable custom-made zebra shades in Ontario for installation by Diamond Custom Shutters. In the vibrant province of Ontario, homeowners seeking high-quality, custom-made zebra shades at affordable prices can turn to the experts at Diamond Custom Shutters. As a leading provider of top-notch window treatments, Diamond Custom Shutters has earned a reputation for delivering exceptional products and unparalleled customer service. One of the key advantages of working with Diamond Custom Shutters is their commitment to tailoring their offerings to the specific needs and preferences of each client. Their team of experienced designers and installation professionals work closely with you to understand your unique requirements, ensuring that the final product not only meets but exceeds your expectations. When it comes to custom-made zebra shades, Diamond Custom Shutters offers a wide range of options to choose from. From classic black and white stripes to more contemporary color palettes, their selection caters to a diverse range of interior styles. Additionally, they use only the finest materials, guaranteeing the durability and longevity of your window treatments. What sets Diamond Custom Shutters apart is their dedication to providing affordable solutions without compromising quality. By leveraging their extensive industry experience and strategic partnerships, they are able to offer competitive pricing on their custom-made zebra shades, making them accessible to homeowners across Ontario. The installation process with Diamond Custom Shutters is equally impressive. Their team of skilled professionals ensures a seamless and stress-free experience, handling everything from precise measurements to the final installation. This attention to detail and commitment to customer satisfaction have earned them a reputation as one of the most trusted window treatment providers in the region. Transform your home with affordable elegance. In the ever-evolving world of home design, custom-made zebra shades have emerged as a versatile and sophisticated solution for homeowners seeking to enhance their living spaces. With their unparalleled ability to control light and privacy, energy-efficient properties, and unique aesthetic appeal, these window treatments offer a winning combination of form and function. By partnering with Diamond Custom Shutters, homeowners in Ontario can now access high-quality, custom-made zebra shades at affordable prices, transforming their homes into havens of style and elegance. With their commitment to personalized service, extensive customization options, and expert installation, Diamond Custom Shutters is the go-to destination for anyone looking to elevate their living space. Don't settle for ordinary window treatments. Elevate your home with the timeless elegance of custom-made zebra shades from Diamond Custom Shutters. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and discover the endless possibilities for your living space. Please like, share and subscribe.